everyone, welcome. Today we are playing some Exploding Kittens because we haven't played it that much. And yeah. So yeah. We're doing okay though. Let's say there might be a kitten on top. Okay, good, it's not. Let's see if he knows. Oh, okay, I don't believe you. Let me do that, and yeah. I think this is gonna be good. Let's go. Let's go. I got a taco cat. Taco cat. Taco cat. This is taco cat. Taco cat. I don't feel safe. Okay. Okay. Let's see if he knows. Please? Okay. There's a 33% chance. I see all. Okay, it's at the bottom. Remember that. It is at the bottom. Bottom card. He knows that too. I will cat butt. I will steal a card. Give me a card. Give me a card. Okay, come on. Okay, nope. Come on, give me that diffuse. Give me that diffuse. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna diarrhea on him. Wait. I think he actually gave me his diffuse. I don't know. Might have just gave me some skips. I don't know. Okay, but this is gonna be fun. But that does nothing. I slap you back. You got 4 slaps. I'm just a cat, but I wasn't even gonna use that. Let's just give you a skip. You can skip it if you wanna. Okay, this is going pretty good. Oh, come on. Yes! We won! Yes! Okay, that was a quick match. Oh my gosh, only a 2-minute match? Okay, well, I will be back when we have another match. So yeah, see you all in a sec. Okay, we're back, and we're doing pretty good. Let's go. Okay, I think I'm gonna draw maybe 3 more, maybe 2 more, and then I'll draw from the bottom, see what that's all about. Okay, well, he's able to see what we're gonna get. Okay, that's pretty bad. Okay, let's save up all my cards, and yeah, just try to get as many cards as I can. I don't believe it's bad, or at least I hope it's not bad. Let's try to scare him. Okay. Come on. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Let's take one more. Why are they so, like it's nothing bad is on it? I mean, I'm okay. I'm okay not to shuffle then. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. I'm not gonna give him the watermelon because I know he's just gonna steal something else. You take a skip. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Let's do that. Let's go. He used it. Okay, let's take it. Okay, I got another one. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, he sees what he's getting. Okay. Come on. Do I have a see into the future? No, I do not. Let's take it. Okay. Now I do. Okay, this is going pretty good right now. Okay. He's able to see. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it'll be my turn again. Ooh, let's go. We got it from the bottom. Okay. Let's do it. There might be a kitten on top, because there might actually be a kitten on top. Let's see. Sure enough, he did. Okay, draw from the bottom. Okay. It's on top. Don't draw. It's on top. Oh, come on. I'm gonna shuffle and hope I don't get one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, he's able to see everything. Okay, great. You want to take a card? Okay. I don't feel safe. Because it's 100... Oh, it's a 50% chance. I don't feel safe, but... Oh, man. Okay. Stop it. You didn't get that, okay. Come on. Okay, skip. Please. Ah, dang it. Okay. Well, we're doing okay. Let's put it on top. I have plenty of slaps. All diarrhea is gone. So, yeah. Let's just, yeah. Come on. Okay. Oh, it's 100% chance, eh? Kitty cat butt. Do I have two? Oh, come on. Who didn't use their diffuse? I think that one didn't. Steal some from him. Steal another thing from him, so he only has one card. Come on. What'd I get? Okay. I'll use that on him. Okay. Come on. Okay, skip a turn. I'll use that. Yeah, that means it's gonna be his turn. And either Travis play that, or yeah. Yep, you're dead. Okay, let's go. That's pretty good. Okay. Yeah. There's one card. He has less cards than me. That's a good thing about saving up cards. Oh, great. Yep. If that's still a card, it's not. Please don't. Okay, that's a good card to use. Okay. Well, I don't have a diffuse, so what am I worrying about? Besides, for one thing, the kitten, not the draw from the bottom. Please. Oh, it's his turn. What is that card? Oh, well, I win. Let's go. 1, 2 in a row. Let's go. Let's see if they want a rematch. Yes, I do. Hey, everyone's coming back for a rematch. Okay. Oh, there's someone else. How did that person get in our private game? How? Okay, I don't know. It's probably someone shared the code with them. Okay. Whatever. Let's go. Come on, let's play. This will probably be the last game of the day. Okay. It's pretty good. Come on. Draw a card, Curly Sue. Come on. Let's check these. Check. Snuggles. I can't do that with. Okay. Let's go. Draw from the bottom. Why? Okay. Whatever. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Curly Sue, come on. Come on. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Oh, he's using that diffuse. He has a diffuse, doesn't he? Okay, I guess he just wanted out. Okay. That's okay. Let's go. Let us go. Okay. There might be a kitten on top. Wait, he got my C in the future. Oh my gosh, that's luck. Please? Okay, good. Okay. We're doing okay. Please say it's not on top. Please say it's not on top. There might be a kitten on top. Nope. We gotta shuffle. Let's go. Okay. You're gonna go or not? Come on, hurry up and go. Okay, you go. Go. There might be a kitten on top, but it's just a slap. Okay. He's shuffling. Okay. Okay. He's gonna do that. He's gonna do that. Let's get it. Because that's honestly a okay percent with me. Oh no, this is gonna be bad. He sees what I'm gonna get. I don't like that. Please don't steal from me. Okay. That's good. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, he's going backwards. Why is he going backwards? Why did he go backwards? Okay. Whatever, there's a 33% chance. Let's shuffle that and hope for the best. Okay, I got a taco cat. So I have I have two things. Two things to steal. I have one cat butt. Dang it. I had another cat butt, that would be good. Okay. Do I want to use my C to the future? I don't know. There's a 50% chance. Let's do it. Let's see into the future. Okay, well, that's lucky. Okay, well, have fun with the 2 exploding kittens. Oh, come on. Let's see. All you get is a reverse. Okay. Wait, if you reverse, it goes to me. Oh, great. Please don't reverse. Okay, good. Thank you. Oh, okay, 4 turns. 4 turns for him. You do not want to do that. Yeah. There might be a kitten on top, even if you do that. Like, put it at the bottom. Then you can, yeah. If he draws again, he's dead. Wait. Oh, it's on the bottom too? Oh, he's dead. Okay, well, now there's only 3 people. Great. This is gonna be fun. Let's do this then. Come on, hurry up. My turn. Do I have a shuffle? Let's use this, and Oh, great! Well, do I have a get from bottom? No, I don't. Let's use a cat. Let's use a blind on. I don't know. Let's pick him. Still 2 cards from him. Okay, come on, give me it. Give me it. Give me a card. Okay, that's a pretty good card. Still another card from him. Okay. Oh, okay. Just that. Okay. Let's do a single slap on him to make him go. If he somehow uses a slap. Okay, he skipped 1. Okay. He skipped it. Oh, come on! I do have a diffuse, too. Please? Yes! Make him go. Take a nap? Okay. Huh. Okay. Still your turn? Okay. That doesn't do anything. You still have to go. Ah! Oh, come on. Boom. 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 If it's at the end, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, whatever. On the top, the kitten. Okay. Dang it. See y'all. Yep, okay. Whatever. Well, that's where I'm gonna end this video. And I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Goodbye.